Hi, I hope you're well and is slowly easing your way through the end of the year. I'm sketching on an A5 Hobonichi day-free notebook and a Palomino Blackwing pencil. It's a few more weeks until Christmas. The Christmas tree and decorations are already up in the studio. At least we get to enjoy it longer than just a month. Move to another table for a change in space. These are my go-to brushes. First, let's get a bit of each gouache color on the palette or plate. This gouache set is so heavy. I use gouache like watercolor, so I don't usually use a lot of paint. I love the vivid colors of this set. I think one of my resolutions for next year is to use up all of my current art materials, which means painting almost every day. Let's see. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. What is your favorite medium to paint with? Watercoloring gouache are my favorites, but I also love the texture of colored pencils, so I'm learning how to add color pencils on my illustrations. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Have you put up your Christmas decorations yet? Where will you be celebrating Christmas this year? I usually go home or travel during Christmas, but not since 2020, and will not be traveling this year either. You and I can weather any storm. Hopefully next year. Would love to go back to Japan and to South Korea also. Hesitation before painting. Tell myself to just put the brush paint on the paper. There. Do you also hesitate painting on an illustration? Scared you might mess up and it won't turn out good? I do all the time. I always hype myself up to just draw, paint, repeat. I remind myself that it's the only way to learn and improve.
this is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within.
I'm still halfway through this notebook, but have decided to get myself a new set of Hobonichi Techo for 2022. Hopefully the parcel will arrive by the end of the week. I'll probably finish this notebook by the end of the year. The paper is not specifically for watercolor or gouache, but for ink. Still, I love how the paper absorbs the water from the paint.
Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today,
It's the first time I'm using these color pencils. I've had this for a few months now. They color well on the Tomogawa paper. We'll probably illustrate another character to go with this character for the next illustration. What should we name this character? Leave a comment below.
just as the sunrise starts to show, warming up the motorway. You know you felt this way before, but can't recall the time and day. Don't know if life is a small part of something greater. And when you get off this raging horse, sings to whatever.